So we are gonna take a little bit of walking to the alley around the river, all the way down there. I have never been to this route before, so we're gonna take through here. It looks beautiful, isn't it? So let's go across the bridge. My battery is 65%. I don't know how long it's gonna last. There's this walkway down there, see that? Walkway. Walk through here and down there. We are at the Buri, Thailand. This community with a security guard. The home price is 3 million and up, but this is a little park here, and I'm gonna go through here and down the walkway. I wish we have this one in the States, you know, so I can exercise every day.
You ต้องระวังมอเตอร์ไซค์ด้วยนะแต่มีมอเตอร์ไซค์สวน
Now watch all motorcycles. They come through here. It's freaking hot, man. So today is January 9th, I think, 2026. It's freaking hot. It's like 84 degrees, maybe 87. The time is 3:47 p.m. This is all the river right here. It's more like a canal, not a river. See, motorcycle coming through.
มาทางไหนเราต้องหลบเขานะเขามาทางไหนวะ
Actually, it's bicycle.
ทางขวานะ
No, motorcycle. Yeah, scooter.
หลบเขาหน่อยจ้ะหยุดวอล์กหยุดเดินก่อน
Gonna have to stop for this guy to go. See, if he loses control, he's gonna go down the water right there. He might drown, assuming he knows to swim. So people around here, they're growing bananas so they can eat and sell it. Let's see how deep it is. See, that's water right there. Try not to drop my phone. On a rainy day, you take a walk here, it feels so refreshing. I got a little pond over here. Little pond. More bananas. And more pond over here. And this is probably somebody's property. Maybe not, I don't know. It's a bungalow right there.
นี่เป็นคาเฟ่ที่คุณแม่บอก
Cafe, huh?
ใหญ่เริ่มเลย
Oh, that's a cafe right there,
แต่
cafe.
เขาอยู่ข้างหน้า
But you have to go through the front. A lot of mosquitoes at night. Chỉnh xong nay đỡข้างหลังนะเว้ย Cause you're blocking everything. You're blocking my way.
so slow
I have to go in front. See, now you can see everything clear now.
you're too slow
It's blocking the path.
ในนี้น่าจะมีตัวเงินตัวทองนะ
Okay, there might be a fish here. The water doesn't seem to be too dirty, you know. But I wouldn't eat fish in here. I don't know what to call these. Something like I saw one of these in Florida. A different species, but looks similar. Drove to Florida once. That's nice. See, look, free tropical plants. Just dig it up, take it home. Nobody own it. Look at the bungalow right there. And more bungalow on the right. See? And this walkway here. This is the first time I walked through here, so I don't know how long it's gonna go. I should come here on a rainy day. It looks like a mechanic shop, some kind of small business, and empty land. Look at that. So this should be apartments.
No, it's a school.
Oh, it's a school. Okay, that's a school. Looks like apartment. It's a elementary school. That's a long walk, man. Look at that. It's way down there. Just don't come here at night. It's not gonna be safe. I think school is over at 4 p.m. Papaya. Oh, coconut trees. That's a short little coconut tree right there. You're gonna see a lot of mosquitoes around here.
This is a container apartment.
I think this must be a cafeteria. School cafeteria right here. You can tell. Man, I'm sweating right now. It's hot. Humid. Just like Florida. Broken umbrella. Oh, there's more canal right here. There's no walkway. Yeah, I don't know how far that one go. See? Look at the school. Look at the way to make it. Look at that. Look at the castle right there. The way you design it. Look at that. That's a castle or what? That's a castle. It's a funny way you designed that high school. whatever school this is. Let me see. Oh yeah, it looks like a castle. That's a weird school for Thailand. It looks like those religious school, Catholic or something, but probably not. Free coconuts, free coconuts. Okay, this is not the end yet. You have to go over across the street, pop out the other side, and keep going. But I don't think we're going that way today. So we're gonna end it right here. Maybe walk around the block a little bit. All right. See, gotta go this way and across the bridge.
Yeah, this is the other street.
You want to keep going, gotta go on that side. It's gonna be a long walk, but not today. Body shop. Body shop. อะไรจ๊ะ
See, there used to be fitness, spa, and sauna, but they closed down the business.
Straight up. Everywhere. Most of them they won't bite you. Most.นี่เดินใกล้ทางไหนเนี่ย
เดินไปสุดแล้ววนเข้าไปก็เป็นซอยบ้านเรา แต่ว่า end of the road อ่ะมีมาร์เก็ตด้วยนะ market on the right side
เราคงไม่ได้เข้าเนาะ
เราสามารถ cross over ได้แต่ถ้าเราอยากจะไปถึง
Ooh, nice house. Like 6 million baht home.
ตรงนู้นเลยจะมีมาร์เก็ตเรา cross over ไปได้
ไม่มีอะไรเลยเนาะเนี้ย nothing
อยู่ต้อง walk down there นู่น
so many body shop over here. Mechanic shop, body shop, paint shop. I don't know what this is. It looks like what is that? It's home supplies. Yeah, roofing supplies, tiles, that kind of thing. Land for sale. You want to buy land? It's like a 2 acre or something. It's expensive. You don't see the price, it means expensive. Oh, that's nice. Look at this water fountain. How cool is that? That's awesome. Got a Chinese one, yin yang, and a European style fountain. So beautiful. I would like to have one of these. Ah, wow, cool. How cool is that? Oh, they have a lot more. It's amazing. These are like custom made. They made it themselves. The unicorn horse with a dick. Oh my god. See the fountain. Fountain. A little kitty fountain right there. Another one right here. This one looks nice. It looks it's good for the front lawn. Oh, this one looks nice. That's a luxurious. Oh, look at that. Nice. And they got a gray one, bronze. Oh, this one looks nice. And massage นวดเนาะถ้ามันดูร้อนๆจังนวดเงี้ยดูร้อนเนาะนวดอโรมา500 so the prices for the massage so Bangkok near Bangkok is more expensive than other places this one will do the sale some kind of statues same thing like the other places for the other side the other shop and this is more like religion stuff see Buddhism Hindu usually Eastern religion and you know yeah Eastern and let's sell these oh look at that good for Halloween decoration don't you think got a little pond going on over here a little fish inside swimming around. I see little baby fish. It's townhomes inside there. Okay, you see this sign right here? It says execution for the scammer. So this guy is running for the office. He said he's gonna execute all the scammers that have been caught. But the question is, what about corrupted politicians? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna execute them too? That's a good question, right? Those are just bullshit slogans. They're lying to you all the time. You know, all politicians, they all lies. most of them, if not all, telling a bullshit story. They're gonna do this, they're gonna do that, and then they get elected. They don't do shit. Ooh, look at this, nice. I love these plants. Look at that. Oh, ooh. Oh, look at this. Look at the garden right here. Little garden. It's amazing. Yeah, Thai politicians, see that? This guy's running for the seats. You can never trust any of them. Don't even bother voting. Don't vote at all. Wasting your time. They make a lot of promises. They never delivered. Okay, a little like eatery place here. You know, local restaurant. They sell like a duck meat. See that? Duck meat. Duck fried rice. Running for election. Oh, it's hot. Man, hot. We're getting sunburned. Steel. That's the coolest bike ever. Those are custom made bikes. You see a lot in Thailand. They love doing that. Custom made. This one is selling a new townhomes community. Gotta go inside. Empty lot. Huh? Oh shit, it's nothing here. Minbuli is like, not a countryside, but it's farther out from Bangkok, but still within the Bangkok boundary. Alright, I'm gonna pause for now. There's nothing up there to see. So over here we have a lakefront restaurant. I just noticed they have this here. Usually when I come to Minburi, I never walk this far. So it's a restaurant next to a lake, not a lake, a pond. Yeah. See? And you rent a little thing right there. Rent it out. So the sign say Riverview Restaurant. So you eat by the edges of the pond, chilling, you know. Nice. Man, I need to use restroom. Ooh. All right, let's go this way. I'm a man, right? I can do it anywhere I want. But I'm not gonna do it. I wanna go home and do it. So we have another view right here. So quiet. They usually show up at night after work, drinking beer with friends, you know, hanging out. Little birds. And this is the entrance. They call this place Water Views. Parking lot is inside here. Across the street is our metal recycling place. Not much to see. You want to have fun, don't come around here. You want peace and quiet, you come here, you know. Alright, where's she go now? Wait, she's here. Is she way up there? That's restaurants over here. She just disappeared. Don't know where she went. It's a Chinese restaurant right here. Noodle shop. We got beef stew, beef noodle. See? Hot pot. The Japanese used items. Oh, they say Japanese used item shop. Let's go inside and check it out. All the stuff from Japan. Second hand. Just like Goodwill, you know, Salvation Army. Old and barrel from Japan. These are Japanese. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Cool. How cool is that? Look at all these are 10 baht. Keychains for the I think these are cell phones. Look at the Japanese dishes and plates. Also cool. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. Look at the bees. It's a penguin. I didn't know they have it here. Amazing. So these Japanese cups. Oh, it's so cool. It's like a whiskey or something. It's good for the espresso shot. I don't know what these are. Oh, that's cool. Awesome. Oh, cool. Look at that. It's like a baby little cup. Oh, it's a teacup. They got so many cool stuff. Look at that. I don't think they allow the camera in here. Oh, they got more up here. They got a whole bunch of toys over there. So many toys. Look at that. So many cool stuff, man. Amazing. แต่คุณพ่อต้องการหาแจ็คเก็ต Alright, so many cool stuff. I didn't show you the toys. They have die-cast car and a whole bunch of Japanese toys. Amazing stuff. She wants to do her hair. จะโทรเข้าไปไหมกี่โมงกันเนี่ย3 โมงแล้ว ทำผมอีก3 โมงแล้วก็7 โมงจ้ะ8 โมงนี่ไม่ดี Sure you want to do your hair? What's this? I don't know what these are. It looks like a garden or something. Oh yeah. Inwood Garden.
การ์เด้น
ทำไมอยู่ตรงนี้อ่ะ Inwood Garden.
สวยเลย
How cute is that? Oh, it's a coffee croissant. It's cafe right here. เต็งจานร้านกาแฟอยู่ข้างบน
ร้านกาแฟอยู่ข้างใน
ว่างๆมานั่งชิวๆที่นี่ไหม Yeah, they have a cafe in here, so we're gonna stop by maybe later. Ôi, แต่จานชามมันสวยมากเลยนะ คุณพ่อเขาบอกว่าแจกันของเขาอ่ะมันบางที่เขาใช้อยู่อ่ะเขาต้องการหนาๆหน่อยจ้ะจะไม่ตัดผมเนาะต้องรอไปอีก3 ชั่วโมงครึ่งดีไม่ดี4 ชั่วโมงอาจจะ4 ชั่วโมงด้วยซ้ำWe shave. Oh, it's a Thai boxing gym. Yep, that's a boxing gym. Cool. I didn't know they have it here. Over there, you see salon, cafe, restaurants, dentistry, you name it. It's over there. Bank. It's like a restaurant right there. Massage, and inside it's townhomes. Oh, the advertising, the hiring soldier. Okay, this garden over there. So they're gonna give you 30,000 baht to join the army. If you fight in a war, they can pay like 200,000 baht. That is just an advertisement. 200,000 baht to when you were like a veteran, you know. But how many battles do you have to go to?